Mm-hmm. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Wow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No, listen. Listen. No. Shit, man. Shit, me. I know what's going on. Oh, damn. Listen, the mac and cheese, short rib mac and cheese. Come on, man. You can't order that from nowhere. You can't order that. Oh, come on, let me get it. Mm. Mac and cheese with my orange juice. I mean, my apple juice. Huh? Yeah, that was some hearty shit. Ain't nobody, yo, can't nobody do no goddamn buffalo gotta pound him like that, though. Like, it ain't soggy. You know what I'm saying? It ain't soggy. You know, part of meat juicy. Got the little ranch. See, certain shit you gotta go ranch or blue cheese. You gotta be out open minded. Blue cheese don't go with all flavors of chicken. Blue cheese go with the buffaloes and the, but when you get the buffalo garlic parm, you gotta hit it with a ranch. You know what I'm saying?
With ranch?
You just busted down, didn't you? That was ranch. See, I got this ranch. I got it. This ranch. This ranch. Yeah. It's in my apple juice. My ginger ale, man. I'm sorry. I don't drink alcohol. I read the fire with that. You see what I'm saying? It just corresponded with each other so well. You thought it was blue cheese. Huh? Mm. Blue cheese. Huh.